I got to say, I think a lot of us were a little surprised by Elon Musk and his investment in Twitter, that passive investment, 9.2%. You are a big investor in Tesla, have been for a long time. I think about 2.5% of your funds are in Twitter as well. Was this a smart move by Elon?
Well, I do think for the moment it's passive, but he's certainly making a statement, and it's a statement about censorship. He doesn't agree with censorship for a smooth functioning democracy, as he has tweeted, I believe. And so I think he's sending a strong signal to the new CEO. And I also know there's some controversy about why Jack left, having to do with this new CEO. So a few messages there.
Have you talked to Elon at all about it?
No, I have not.
Okay. And would you be buying either more Tesla or Twitter on the news? And let's throw on Tesla also having this record first quarter. Is this a catalyst to buy more of these shares in your view?
On Tesla, we post our trades at the end of every day, so many will know that it is the largest position in our flagship portfolio and in most of the portfolios where we hold it. But we have been selling recently because of how well it has done relative to the rest of the stocks in our portfolio. So it has levitated relative, and so it's been a good source of cash. We've taken profits and redeployed them into other stocks that we thought were being unfairly penalized here. And I think one of the reasons for that is Tesla's in the indexes, the broad-based indices, and most of our other stocks are not. And that's a big problem out there in terms of the way capital is being allocated these days in the public equity markets.
Cathie, how much would Tesla have to fall for you to start buying again?
Well, even now we're going to put out another model on GitHub I'm going to say within a week. Our last one is from about a year ago, and you'll see from that model that our price expectation at that time was $3,000. So there's still a lot of running room ahead for Tesla. But relative to the other names in our portfolio, even though that's a triple or nearly a triple, other names in our portfolio we believe will deliver much more than that over the next 5 years because they have been hit so hard. They're not in indexes. And so when there are risk-off periods, traditional investors really diversify and sell our stocks as they move closer to their benchmarks, the benchmarks against which they are measured. So it's a great buying opportunity for us. I will say I can't believe how long that buying opportunity lasted from February of a year ago to a few weeks ago. But we think the concentration of our portfolios towards our highest conviction names will pay off. As for Twitter, well, it's having a beautiful day today. And I think there are some investors relieved that someone is willing to speak up and say, hey, you're going to ruin this platform if you continue to censor it in somewhat random ways. So I think that's good. I will say this could be setting up for another leadership change at Twitter. You never know. And so that will bring with it perhaps some uncertainty and dislocation. So especially as it relates to advertisers. So we shall see.